Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by installing Wallpaper Engine and launching it immediately. This is the only supported route for animated desktop wallpapers on Windows 11. Once launched, grant the app permission to control the desktop and enable auto start so your wallpaper persists after reboot. Make sure you close overlay apps and disable battery saver because they throttle animations. This prevents stutters. Also choose a balanced or high-performance power plan to keep visuals smooth while you configure the wallpaper. You now pick or import the animated wallpaper you want and assign it to the target monitor. This lets you control multi-monitor behavior precisely. Once assigned, use crop, scale, or stretch to match aspect ratios and avoid stretching artifacts. Make sure to set a sensible frame rate limit and enable performance mode for gaming to reduce CPU/GPU load. If the wallpaper has sound, toggle audio visualizer or mute it. These steps balance smooth visuals with system responsiveness. Apply the wallpaper and immediately verify it survives a restart so it becomes permanent. If you see no animation, check and disable Focus Assist, Game Mode, or any overlay programs that block desktop rendering. Once done, run Wallpaper Engine as administrator if permissions still block changes, or reduce quality and frame rate to test stability. As a last resort, restart Explorer. EXE to refresh the desktop. This single troubleshooting tip usually fixes permission or render.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.